channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Randa from Randa Diamond Paints, and first of all, please ignore how disgusting the back of this canvas is, because I spilled white wine on it. Yeah, thankfully it only got on the back and it didn't like bleed through the front or anything, but there's like stains all over it because my dog knocked over my wine one night while I was diamond painting. So anyway, I wanted to hop on real quick to do a really quick post review of a kit that I just finished. Well, just finished-ish. You saw it over on my Instagram if you follow me over there. If you don't, go follow me over there. I will link it in the description down below. But the kit is the beautiful Plant Witch by Distracted by Diamonds. Now, Distracted by Diamonds, love. You're not gonna be able to get the whole thing in frame because she's kind of large and in charge. But that's all the way to the bottom. I loved this kit. It was a ton of fun to work on. I was a little skeptical. I've mentioned in the unboxing of this, if you haven't seen the unboxing, by the way, go check that out. I mentioned in the unboxing of this kit that I was really nervous about the skin tone, especially with some of the things that I had heard of. Yes, Ollie, may I assist you? Sorry if you can hear him meowing in the background. Anyway, when I had heard about what happened with the rendering of the skin tone with the night, I was quite concerned that it would be all Geneva Bauer kits and that they all might have problems. But this one didn't. So I think the skin tone actually came out really, really good. There is a bunch of red around here by her face, but I think that's kind of just how the shading turned out. And when you really like step back from a viewing distance and like take a look at it, you don't really notice it. So, but otherwise, like down here on her arm looks really wonderful. So it came out really good. There are so many fun colors in this kit. And it really was like watching this kit come to life because the colors on the canvas did not match the colors on the drills for the most part. Like kinda, but not really. And so like all of this just like came to life. It is super sparkly, which I love. It's like Diamond Art Club level of sparkly. And I also added ABs to this kit. It didn't come with any ABs. But I added some pink ABs. Let me see if I can find a good section to show you. Here's quite a bit. You see I added some pink ABs in there. They're just the Diamond Dot brand of ABs that you can get from like Joann's and Michael's. So I grabbed some of those and sprinkled them throughout the whole kit. I basically replaced the symbol T. Let's see. That symbol right there. I almost exclusively just replaced the symbol T with ABs. And I think cause she deserves ABs. Look at her. She deserves it. She does. So I added ABs to this kit and I really love how that turned out. I love these little pops of yellow and pink and all of these wonderful blues and stuff. Like really, really gorgeous kit. A little bit confetti heavy, especially like in areas like this. But for the most part, really quite a ton of color blocking actually. So, and it worked up pretty fast. I believe it took me either exactly a week or a little over a week to finish it. And I did have some problems with my drills falling off and shifting out of place. Now, I don't see any that I replaced all the ones that had fallen off right as I finished this kit before I rolled it up and put it away. And I don't see any drills that have popped off, and I rolled it like with drills facing out so that that wouldn't happen, hopefully, and I haven't seen that happen. So it could very easily have been the way that I worked on it, because I have like a little lap desk. I work like in my living room on my couch, so I have a little lap desk, and it's a big lap desk, but it's not huge. And so once eventually your canvas hangs off the side with the drills or hangs off this side, and it's not the best circumstance for drills to exist in, but I don't have that problem when it comes to Diamond Art Club. It can hang off of my table and they never come off. So I don't know if I would necessarily call that an adhesive problem, but it's just something I noticed, and I just need to be nicer to my canvases apparently. But other than that, I had a really great experience. This is a round drill kit. If you can't, I don't know if you can see, but it's a round drill kit. And it had 40 colors in it. I think the amount of colors was really wonderful and it came out really well. I wish it was square. I wish everything was square. But, but I do wish this was a square drilled kit. I think it would have really lended itself to a square drill kit. I think most portraits lend themselves to squares. So I would wish it would have been in squares, but I still, like I said, it turned out really, really, really beautiful. So I am not mad at it. This is also an older run of kits. So I have 2 newer run of the Geneva Bower kits, and then a 3rd one on the way, a Puffy Gator that has seemed to have forever been lost in the mail. I don't know where it is. They tried to deliver it twice and they keep just like leaving me notes about like either it's too big or the postage isn't paid, and I'm like, what do you mean the postage isn't paid? Anyway, so that Distracted by Diamonds will come eventually, but I have 2 other Geneva Bowers kits. One of them is a square, one of them is a round, and I am very curious to see sort of how the rendering of her skin works out and how the rendering of the whole entire thing works out from a 2020 kit to a 2021 kit. So that'll be interesting to see, and I'll definitely keep you updated on those. The 2 Geneva Bower kits that I have are the Night, because I heard they fixed the rendering on her skin, and Space Letterman 2. So I will definitely show you those when I do them, and I don't know when that will be, but we'll see. So anyway, that's kind of all I have to say about this kit. I had a really good experience. I don't know if you can see the sparkle. It sparkles a lot. It's really pretty. Very, very pretty. It's a little dirty because I live with 2 shedding tiny children, pets. My 2 children shed like crazy. So it's a little dirty, but that's my own fault. But yeah, I thought it turned out really beautiful. This was my very first ever kit from Distracted by Diamonds, and I was thoroughly impressed. So I'm excited. I'm just excited. So I'm excited to work on those other kits and show you guys. I'm excited to get more from Distracted by Diamonds one day. The one kit that I really have my eye on, that when I have the money for, I'm definitely going to be going after, is Dawn by Geneva Bowers. The colors in that kit are so gorgeous. I love her so much. Anyway, I will have all the Geneva Bowers kits. I will take one of each. Thank you very much. But anyway, this kit was really, really beautiful. I could have gone without the extreme amount of multicolor that's going on here in her lipstick. But again, when you step back from a viewing distance, it looks incredible. So I ain't mad. But anyway, that's kind of it for this post review in today's video. I would highly suggest you go check out Distracted by Diamonds. Robin is the wonderful woman who runs it, and she does a fantastic job. She also runs Patty Wax. It's all run out of the same Etsy store. I will link her Etsy store down below so you can take a look. Pick up a Distracted by Diamonds kit, and also grab some Patty Wax while you're there, because Patty Wax is amazing. They restock twice a day. It says it has all the information there on her Etsy shop, but you gotta be fast because her stuff goes like that, like so fast. So, like I said, I will link it down in the description box, and get those quick little fingers in there and go grab yourself something for yourself, because it's very fun. I love it a lot. I was really happy with the outcome of this kit. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye!